Hey there, this is me, painting. Again, as always, God, I gotta think of a better catchphrase. Is the worst. Anyway, so this painting, is for the stem cells and disease modeling laboratory at Melbourne Uni. I spoke to Mirella, who contacted me, and together we came up with this idea for showcasing all the different people who work in the lab. I think there are some engineers as well who aren't in the picture, but we really wanted to kind of showcase, I guess, the way that modern science works. That it's all about, working together. It's all about all these different people coming together and researching together to, really make a difference, do good science. I guess from a art history point of view, it's really different to, I don't know. I was in England and I saw the portrait of Charles Darwin and at the National Portrait Gallery, and it's this giant portrait of the most somber looking dude of all time, Charles Darwin, king of science, never made a joke in his life. I don't know. It's a very good portrait, but I guess, true or false, the thing about these kind of old portraits of these people doing science is really it's all about this one person. It's all about it's man versus the world or whatever. I don't know. But that's how the portraits operate. And whether or not that's true is not the point. But what I really like specifically about Mirella was saying was that that this is how science is done. It's done in these big teams of people who all kind of come together and are able to make these make science happen with their science machines. She was trying to explain to me what they do, so I'll try as well because it's awesome, but I don't really get it. But I guess what they do is they can use someone's stem cells to grow. So they use stem cells from a person and they can grow what's called a neuroid, which is a cluster of brain cells. And so then you have a very small cluster of brain cells that are the same as the person who you got the stem cells from, which means that if the person has a neurological disorder or disease, you're able to test possible vaccines and medicine on living brain tissue, which up until now has been impossible, because people need their brains. So it's an amazing opportunity to be able to study the way that diseases interact with brain cells in patients who have them, and possibly tailor medicines or tailor, what do you call them? Treatments, I guess. Treatments for tailored treatments for individuals and their disorders. That's a terrible explanation. Point is, science is awesome. Doing a giant group portrait of scientists made me really happy, and I hope that everyone in it gets to look at this painting and, I don't know, see themselves, stuff. Thanks for watching. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, you can subscribe to my channel and get notified every time I post a new one. If you know anyone else who might enjoy these videos, you can share this with them. That would be the best. And if you have any questions about painting or anything, leave them in the comments below and we can work out the answer together so we both get better. I'll see you in 2 weeks.